Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a game changer, the 2027 Porsche 718 EV. Porsche has officially electrified its beloved mid-engine sports car, and the result? A high-performance electric roadster that promises to keep the brand's legendary driving dynamics alive. But can it truly capture the spirit of the gas-powered 718? Let's find out. The 2027 718 EV takes Porsche's timeless design and refines it for the electric era. Up front, we get slimmer matrix LED headlights inspired by the Taycan, a sculpted hood, and a wider stance for improved aerodynamics. The side profile remains classic 718, but with smooth, flush door handles and an active rear spoiler for enhanced downforce. Porsche has done a fantastic job keeping the 718's aggressive look while optimizing it for electric efficiency. Step inside, and Porsche's driver-focused philosophy is evident. The 718 EV features a minimalist yet high-tech cabin with a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, an upgraded Porsche infotainment system, and a curved OLED touchscreen seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. Now, let's talk about what really matters: performance. The 718 EV comes in multiple variants, starting with a single-motor rear-wheel drive version making around 450 horsepower, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive version cranks out a staggering 600-plus horsepower. Acceleration is brutal, thanks to instant torque, and handling? Even with the weight of the battery pack, Porsche has worked magic with its new lightweight chassis and near-perfect weight distribution to make sure this car still delivers that go-kart-like handling we love from the 718 lineup. Range anxiety? Not here. Porsche has equipped the 718 EV with an 85 kilowatt-hour battery, giving it an estimated 310-mile range, 500 kilometers, on a full charge. And thanks to 800V fast-charging technology, you can go from 10% to 80% in just 20 minutes at a high-speed charging station. Porsche is also focusing on sustainability with recyclable interior materials and carbon-neutral production, making the 718 EV a performance car with a conscience. But here's the big question: does it still feel like a Porsche? The answer? Yes. Porsche has engineered an artificial sound system that replicates the thrilling exhaust note of a gas-powered flat six while giving it a futuristic EV twist. Plus, the steering remains razor-sharp, and with features like torque vectoring and adaptive suspension, it's just as engaging as its gas-powered predecessor. It may be electric, but it still has soul. The 2027 Porsche 718 EV is proof that an electric sports car can still be thrilling. With its breathtaking acceleration, precise handling, and Porsche's signature craftsmanship, it delivers an authentic driving experience, just without the gas pump visits. The big question is, are you ready for an all-electric Porsche Roadster? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the electric 718 over the gas-powered version? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic car reviews. See you next time.